Good afternoon, ABR Market Watch viewers. Let's dive into today's market developments that have ignited optimism and fueled investor sentiment. Two significant factors are driving this momentum: the Indian government's proposed simplification of its goods and services tax regime, and a positive shift in global oil prices following the Trump-Putin meeting. The Indian government's announcement to reduce GST rates for essential items and electronics from October aims to stimulate economic growth and boost consumption. This policy change could contribute up to 0.7 to 0.8% of India's GDP, as predicted by Citi Research. As a result, the Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex recorded their best days in 3 and 2 months respectively, with sectors like automobiles, consumer goods, cement, hotels, retail, and consumer durables seeing significant growth. The auto sector, represented by Nifty Auto, witnessed a 4.6% rise, particularly benefiting companies such as Maruti Suzuki and Hero MotoCorp. Consumer-linked sectors also rallied, with FMCG rising 2% and consumer durables, NIFCODU, gaining 3.5%. Brokerages foresee stronger demand and earnings growth due to these GST changes. Meanwhile, the global oil market witnessed a positive twist as the US eased its stance on Russian oil exports after the Trump-Putin meeting, leading to a decrease in oil prices. This favorable development also contributed to the upbeat market sentiment in India. However, it's essential to note that while the Indian indexes have surged today, they have underperformed global markets this year. Moreover, government bonds show some caution, indicating potential fiscal strain from Prime Minister Modi's proposed tax cuts. Across Asia, market performances were mixed, reflecting investor apprehension ahead of key events such as the US-Ukraine meeting and the Federal Reserve's Jackson Hole Symposium later this week. Southeast Asian equities traded mixed, with Singapore's STI and Thailand's SET shading 0.9% and 0.7%, respectively. In contrast, India's benchmark index surged more than 1% following the government's GST reform proposals, boosting MSCI's emerging market stock index to its highest level since November 2021. Indonesia's markets were closed for a public holiday, with investors now looking forward to the central bank's policy decision later this week. Analysts predict more cuts by Bank Indonesia in response to softening domestic conditions. Thailand reported a 2.8% year-over-year Q to GDP growth, and Bolivia saw a historic defeat in the presidential election, setting the stage for an October runoff. In conclusion, while the market is optimistic about tax cuts and GST reforms in India, there are concerns regarding fiscal implications. Stay tuned to ABR Market Watch as we continue to bring you the latest developments in the world of finance.